Okay guys, in this video I'm about to show y'all why is my battery dying, how I turned this little space into a DIY type office type of thing. So yeah, this is literally just a little space in my living room that I decided to use because I need an office and I got rid of my desk like a dummy. So, well, I didn't get rid of it. It's in the shed, but I don't have no space for it. So basically, this is like a computer used to be here. So I guess it's a computer desk, table, whatever. Oh, look at my sweet baby. Okay, so up here is like a little shelf. Right now, all I have is just a notebook with some ideas, some plans, and all that up in there. We gotta make this choppy, like my battery is literally dying. Then right underneath that I have a laptop and some pens, my handy dandy scissors right here, some pencils, highlighters, all that kind of stuff. The mouse to go to this because if you look very closely, this is very raggedy, but bear with me. Then on this side I have my printer. This is the Wi-Fi box that don't obtain to nothing. I have a little rolling chair right here, and over here I have, let's get the light. Over here I have my business cards in this little cubic cubby type thing. Right here I have my business cards. This is what my business cards look like. I got them from Vistaprint. I should have got the matte because you can see like fingerprints and stuff in them, but that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. I'm getting sidetracked. So yeah, this is my packaging stuff, thank you cards, this cute little glittery thing. I don't know what I'm using that for, probably pictures. My packaging for my lashes right here, super cute. I mean, too cute. Then right underneath that I have my stuff to make my lip glosses with, because I do sell lip glosses as well as lashes, and I make my own lip glosses. So that's what that is down here. Over here I have folders, this little whatever this is, I have that. This is all for like financing and my plans and you know, stuff that I have to keep tabs on, keep records of, stuff like that. So that's what that's for. So that's what this is for right here. Your dog sound like a horse. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I turned this into like a little desk space right here. So yeah, this is like a DIY. So there's no excuses. Like you could literally start your own business and get your own space set up. You just gotta have the inspiration and motivation to do it, and it will come to life. Okay, yeah, so for my studio, it's literally just another corner, but this is a corner in my bedroom. Excuse it, it's a mess. This is like where my TV is, and then over here is the cords that go to the TV, and that don't matter. Okay, so basically I have my ring light right here. I got this ring light from Amazon. It was like $30. It's a 10-inch. It's what I got. Okay. This tripod I got years ago. I got it from Walmart. It was for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift. It was like on sale for like, I don't know, like $20, and I've had it ever since. I don't know the length of it, but yeah, I've had it for a long time. So yeah, and I've been on YouTube since I was like 16. So Yeah. Here is a mirror. This is the mirror that I usually put on this little table. You know those little stand-up tables people usually eat their dinners on and stuff like that. I decided to use that for my little studio area type thing. This is what I put my camera on when I'm filming, so I can have the camera right by the ring light. And usually yeah, usually this is how I film. I have the ring light here and I have the camera here, and then I'm sitting in this chair here because I really wanted like a clear, clean background, and my wall looked pretty decent. So yeah, that's just what worked for me. That's just what I put together. This is my little DIY studio. Yeah, so you have no excuses. If you want to do it, do it. Be creative, put your mind to work, to use, and really just get down to it. Oh, I didn't mention this. I don't know where this came from. I just found this laying around my house. So yeah, I don't know where that came from. But yeah, this is basically what I do when I'm filming. This is my little DIY studio. Y'all see my little DIY office. Like, there's no excuses. You want to do it. Get down to it. You know, just do it. Like Nike say. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe so you won't miss out on this series. And tell a friend, all that good stuff. Just help us out and support me. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Mwah.
Ice me out, ice me out, ice me out, nigga, ice